look so sweet. Baby, you deserve a treat.
Hello everyone, welcome to SJMIS Strong. So today I'm here to teach you guys the keynote chords of Ice Cream by Blackpink and Selena Gomez. So you only need two chords in this song. It's E and A. So E will look like this. Two fingers on the second fret and one finger here on the first fret. Next, A. Three fingers on the second fret. Looks like this and sounds like this. So the strumming patterns goes like this: down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Let's practice. So down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. The whole song sounds like this. So we'll start with E. Down, down, up, up, and then you change to A. Up, down, up, down, up. So the first three beats go for E, and then the fourth beat goes for A, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to keep doing this over and over for the whole song. Now let's try this.
I'ma make it better, save it like it's not me. Snow cone, shilling, get it free like only in the jeans. Like really, you be popping like a billy. Even in the sun, you know I keep it icy. You could take a leak, but it's too cold to bite me. Rough, rough, frozen, you're the one being chosen. Cut apart like roses, keep it fresh like roses. Look so good, you look so sweet. Looking good enough to eat. Call this with the kiss, only call me ice cream. Catch me in the fish right where the ice meet. Look so good, you look so sweet. Baby, you deserve a treat. Diamonds on my wrist, so we call me ice cream. You can double dip, cause I know you like me. Ice cream, shillin', shillin', ice cream, shillin'. Ice cream, shillin', shillin', ice cream, shillin'.
So that's all for today. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.